Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be looking at the German DAX, looking for a potential long opportunity. Looking at the weekly time frame here, we can see that the market is still in that uptrend. We can still see those higher highs, higher lows being formed. Now we expect the market to come and retest this area of structure that has been used in the past. So you can see it was resistance, support, resistance, support over here. Now all I'm doing is looking for the market to come and retest that level, okay? And if we just dive down into lower time frames, I'm just going to go into the daily time frame and just get rid of a few arrows, otherwise it's going to be a little bit messy. So just jumping on that daily time frame, what can we see? Now we did get long back in here. I managed to get out for a small profit on this candle because it failed to close above these highs, but it did roll over and stop the position out on the Telegram channel. However, you know, the market hasn't invalidated this low, and what I mean by that is it's still in an uptrend until it forms a lower low, and this was the key low to watch out for. Okay, so we had this nice higher high in here, and this was the area that had to be invalidated in order to not look for that long signal anymore, okay? And that hasn't been the case. The market has now rallied again, and it looks in favor of heading back towards to that high. Now, because the market has already moved, we don't have a good end of day position in here. We need to look for positions on a lower time frame. So we need to look for areas of support and resistance that could act as areas to buy from. So immediately I'm going to look at these previous structure highs in here. I'm going to drag the chart left, or the rectangle left. The reason being, this zone has been used as resistance in the past, okay? So I want to see this resistance now turn into a demand zone to buy the market into these key highs up in here. So I'm going to dive into the 4-hour time frame and just have a look at if there's any more confluence where we're at. So we can see that the market has reacted from this on the 4-hour level before, 4-hour chart before. So all I'm going to look for is how do we get on the back of this. Now, if I bring in the 20 and 50 moving average, you can see that they've now crossed. The last time this happened, down in here, we had a really nice bull trend out of this market. And again, looking for the same here. Now, the 20 and 50 have crossed, looking for the market to remain bullish. Okay, so I'm just going to bring in a fib as well. I'm going to go from the swing low, the swing high to the swing low, getting my words mixed up today. And I'm going to look at what's going on, and you can see the 618 just sits below that demand zone and just at that 20 moving average. Okay, 1618 golden fib ratio, and the Fibonacci extension sits at that key resistance zone that we want to target. So what we could look for, if you're not around at the screens to take any positions, you could look for a pullback into the 618, enter a long position. The ATR is saying around about 50 pips or so, which is a little bit tight for my liking. So I'm going to go and put my stop loss underneath that 236 just in there. I'm going to look to target that 1618. If you're a little bit more cautious, you could just move your stop loss underneath that previous swing low there, or at least the daily lows in there, because at least you know your idea will be invalidated if these lows get taken out. Okay, so nice targets up in there, nice risk to reward. This is a trade that we're going to be monitoring. Hopefully it can pull back into that demand zone where we can look for a long position. Thanks for watching. This has been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more trading content. If you're watching on TradingView, comment below. How do you see this market playing out? Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.